Come cook with me while making fried chicken out of king oyster mushrooms. This was my first attempt, and the texture, the taste, and the crunchiness was amazing. Will I make this again? Absolutely. I'll rate this a 10 out of 10. And I topped it with some spicy sriracha sauce and some hot sauce. Now here you go, the king oyster mushrooms. I cleaned them off really good and pat them dry with some paper towel. So here I'm going to add flour and also add some cornstarch so the texture can be very crunchy and not that soggy texture. I do not like that at all on my fried chicken, so why would I want it on my mushroom? Oh, and by the way, I am a vegan, so of course that's why I'm making this king oyster mushroom fried chicken. So I add my 3 different type of seasoning. They're just any type of seasoning that I have in my cabinet. They're all mixtures, and it can go for anything: seafood, salads, burgers, meats, whatever you want to use these seasonings for. It's all in one. So this is where I'm making my batter mix or whatever. All I added was some spring water. So now I'm going to mix cornstarch and powder together. And we're going to reapply all of the 3 different seasonings again. So here I'm adding me some sriracha spicy mayo, and also I added some hirachi spicy hot sauce on top of it. And I got some sweet yams and some green beans on the side. Thanks for watching.